Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Ali. How are you today?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. Did you finish the homework?
Yes, I finished it last night. It was a bit difficult.
Really? I thought it was easy.
You always say that.
Maybe because I like studying.
Let's go inside. Class will start soon.
Yes, let's go.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please sit down. Today we will learn about the environment.
I like this topic.
Me too. It's very interesting.
Open your books to page 30.
Ali, do you have a pen?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Who can answer this question?
May I try?
Yes, go ahead.
The environment includes air, water, and land.
Excellent answer.
I didn't understand the last part.
Which part?
The example about pollution.
I can explain it to you later.
Thank you, that would help a lot.
Now work in pairs.
Let's work together.
Sure.
What should we write first?
Let's write the definition.
That's a great idea. How do you spell environment?
environment.
That's a long word.
Yes, but it's easy to remember.
Time is up. Stop writing.
What do you have for lunch today?
I brought rice and vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
What about you?
I brought a sandwich and juice.
Nice. Let's eat together.
Hi, can I sit here?
Yes, of course.
We were just talking about the test. I'm worried about it too.
We can study together.
Good idea.
Are you ready for the test tomorrow?
Not really. I feel nervous.
Don't worry. You will do well.
I hope so.
Let's revise. After school.
Okay, that will help me. Studying together makes learning easier.
That's true.
Today was a good day.
Yes, I learned many new things.
What are you doing after school? Can I join you later?
Sure, come at 5 o'clock.
Thank you. See you later.
See you. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.